Hello sir, my name is Santosh. My register number is UR15CS148. In this video, I am going to explain about a program which was given to me based on the concept of classes and objects. So this is the question. Write a menu-driven application to maintain the student grade sheet using C++. Your application must contain the following functionalities. Use constructors greater and setter function. So for each student in your application must have the details such as name, register number, department, specialization, semester and basic details. For each student, maintain 5 subject details as subject name, subject code, mark, grade. Calculate the grade for each subject based on the mark. In the menu, give the user options to add, edit or display student grade details. Let us see the program. Start the program with the header file #include IO string, followed by #include conio.h and #include string.h using namespace std. Now initialize class with the class name student. Here private and public are two access specifiers. Whatever data we give inside private will be accessible within the class as well as outside the class, but the data which we give inside public will be accessible within itself. So inside private, declare the variables as per the data type, that is string, name, register number, department and specialization. And for semester and marks, I use the integer data type, and again for subject name and subject code use string data type, and for grade use float data type. And inside public, initialize the function void get data. Now ask the user to enter the details of the student such as name of the student, register number, department, specialization, semester, subject name and subject code. Now ask the user to enter the marks which was scored by student in 5 subjects. Here I use for loop to get the marks from the user. Then again initialize the function float calc grade to calculate the average of the student. Initialize sum is equal to 0. Then again for int I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, sum is equal to sum plus marks of I. Then return sum divided by 5. This gives the average of the student which was scored by him in 5 subjects. Then use initialize the function string search1 to get the register number from the user, and by getting register number we can display the details of the student. So I will initialize the function void display. Now display details of the student, that is name, register number, department, specialization, semester, average and grade. In order to calculate grade, in order to display grade, I use nested if branching statements to display grade. So if calc grade greater than or equal to 90, then display as O grade. Else if calc grade greater than or equal to 80 and less than or equal to 90, then display as S grade. Else if calc grade greater than or equal to 70 and calc grade less than or equal to 80, display as A grade. So give the same conditions to calculate B grade and C grade, else display as fail. Then initialize choice and n is equal to 2. So now I am going to get the details of only 2 students. Then declare the variable m, initialize main function, then initialize I, then student s of 10 is the this is the object with the class name student. Now ask the user to enter the details and get the data from the user. So now create the menu, that is to add, edit, display and exit. Enter your choice. I use switch statements to read the choice. In case 1, that is to add the details of another student. In case 1, this is the increment statement, that is to add the details of extra student. In case 2, in order to edit the details of the student, Ask the user to enter the register number to search, then edit the details. In case 3, display the details of the student, and in case 4, break, that is the program will terminate and return 0. So now I am going to execute the program. Enter the details of the student, enter the name of the student, that is Santosh. Enter the register number, UR15CX148. Enter the department CSE. Enter the specialization BTech. Enter the semester, that is third semester. Enter the subject name C++. Then subject code 14CH2001. Enter the marks, that is 89, 90, 87, 90, 87. Now enter the details of second student. Lucky, enter register number, department, specialization, semester, subject name, subject code, enter marks. So now I am going to add details of extra student. So now I am entering choice as 1. Enter the name of the student, selection, enter his register number CS 139, enter department CSE, enter the specialization BTech, enter the semester 3, enter the subject name C++, enter the subject code CS2001, enter 5 marks. Now enter the register number to search. I am going for UR15CS148. Now I am editing the details of the student which is stored in CS148. So name of student is Santosh, register number I am changing from CS148 to CS153. Enter the department CSE, specialization BTech, semester 3, subject name OS, subject code CS2003, enter 5 marks. Now I want to display the details of the student. So my choice is 3. Enter the register number to display. So UR15CS153. So the details are displayed here. Santosh, your register number, his department and specialization, semester, and his average. So since the average is greater than 80, the grade is S. Thank you.